Sergeant Crumple. I'm like, listen, you're going to do this thing like a recording. Take it down, take it out. I need that. Take it down.
There's no doubt. We'll see. If it's blowing 30, 40 miles an hour and raining sideways, we just...
Maybe that's what she was doing.
Yeah. We have 4 Gospels written by 4 different authors, and none of these authors met Jesus.
We know these books are not historically accurate because they have discrepancies in them.
The idea that Jesus must have been born of a virgin is essentially